What's up? Thanks for tuning in. I'm right now Ramsey, and thank you for joining me on my journey from 1100 ELO to 1500 ELO in 100 days. I've been playing chess for about 8 years now. I started before the Queen's Gambit, and this has been on and off. I was first introduced to chess when my stepdad asked me if I wanted to play him, and I thought it was a simple game, and I think that game he probably got me with the Scholar's Mate. So that didn't last very long, but I decided to download an app on my phone, and I kept playing. And finally, once I was able to beat the computer on there, I decided to join chess.com and started actually playing people. It wasn't until I came across the St. Louis Chess Club and was watching a tournament and was listening to Yasser Sierra one, and I really started to enjoy the game. After that, I, of course, went and bought Chess Base and all these books and started studying, but, life got in the way. And so I stopped playing for a while, except for a couple daily games that I had going on with people that I worked with. And it wasn't until a few months ago that I really got back into it and realized that I've been stuck at the same level of around 1100. And I truly want to get better. So I started looking around for all different resources. Came across the chess dojo, which I really enjoyed, but kind of got the idea of the training plan and kind of started doing my own thing. So 100 days, I plan to go from 1100 to 1500. Some of the books I'm reading now, I just finished everybody's first chess workbook. I wanted to get some pattern recognition and really get better at my tactics. Uh, Winning chess strategies by Yasser. I've really enjoyed that, and I got a couple courses on Chessable as well. So I've seen a lot of people that actually do these, Journey to 1500, Journey to 2000 on YouTube, and I plan to do my channel just a little bit different. Instead of you sitting there for 30 minutes watching me play a game, I'm actually going to go ahead and play the game and then just do a recap of the game so that you don't have to sit there the whole time while I'm making moves and whatnot. I think it'd be a lot better for everybody. So, and another thing I'll do is also share what I've been studying to kind of help prepare for you to see where I'm at. So, the first game we're looking at here, this guy played the cow opening, and I thought that was a prank at first, but it turns out it's a real thing. And just so happens this happens to be one of my better games. As you can see, I got a 92% accuracy. So let's take a look here. He starts with e3. At this point, I wasn't quite sure what to play, but I decided I would play some kind of like reverse London with black. I see he wasn't taking much space in the center, so I decided I would try that. And if you ever see me play the London with white, this is very similar to how I play it. I really wasn't too sure what I was going to do, but I did want to get my pieces developed and then think about it. I realized he wasn't really attacking much, so I had the opportunity to do that. This appears to be his first questionable move here, and I took advantage of it. As you can see right now, I already got a significant advantage just off taking the one pawn and having the bishop in a prime position here. So the next move, I continue to develop. I'm having my eye on this right here, pushing the queen away. And he just so happens to move the knight there, which is going to end up in a fork, which they say is a great move. I take the knight. Now I'm up 4, and I just planning on trading down pieces right now. So at this point, I decide I want to block this path for his rook. And then he's just simply pushing pawns. I should have thought more about this move. I wasn't quite ready for it. I pushed this here. I knew I had the advantage, and I wanted to have another spot for my knight to go to in case he pushed this. And at this point, he resigned. I'm not quite sure why he resigned right here. I guess he just got tired of playing. But it's one of my better games. If you look, you'll see that it says I played at a 1750 rating, which I'm very happy about. But with the win, it put me at 1139, and I plan on keep going up. So this is day 1, and be sure to come back and join me for day 2. Thank you.